what do you want for Christmas?
Like this.
Hey. Hey.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears.